Hey everybody, John Grimsmo here. Welcome to another Saga Saturday. We've got a fun little field trip today. So the tip spring in our Saga pen, we've had custom engineered and custom made in our local area, Canadian made. Love it so much. So today we get to go on a factory tour and see exactly how these things are made right, made old school, made to our tolerances. I love it. So come on in, let's go. And do you have a range, the tolerance range that you're okay with, or?
Generally, it's within half a thickness of wire.
Okay.
But these ones are running quite.
And you just adjusted the set screw length of that so it's flush with the top.
Yeah, but to adjust the length a little bit.
So you rotated that just a crack.
Now it will bring that length.
Whoa. That's cool. And does it, if you made 10,000 springs, does it need adjustment throughout?
You have to constantly keep adjusting it.
Really?
Because of different factors like wheel pull, speed of the machine.
Yep. Does the temperature of the shop or the machine, once it's warmed up, does that affect it at all, or?
Yes, it does. You get expansion and contraction.
Right.
That's why you have to settle these things down before you actually do the run. When you first start off, the diameters are bigger than you really want to. As it heats up, the diameters go down. Okay. Slightly.
So after this, they go through heat treat?
They go through heat treat.
Do you guys do that here?
Yep. We'll get 2 big ovens and 2 smaller ovens.
Okay.
The smaller ovens, we do the individual springs for setup purposes.
Got it.
The big ovens, we'll take these after they're finished, we'll put them into baskets, and then we'll heat them through the big oven.
And is it just a one heat treat cycle, or is there a temper involved as well?
No, there's just one.
Just the one?
Cycle. These ones being stainless, they'll go up to 600 degrees.
Okay. So 302 stainless.
Yeah.
And 1 heat treat cycle. Go in for a couple hours maybe?
Half an hour.
That's it? Nice. Yeah. And that makes them perfect. I mean, they work so well in what we're doing. Love it. So as you guys know, quality is super crazy important to everything that we do. So it's really cool to be standing in the shop where the springs are being made right there, seeing exactly how they're made. Local company, Canadian business, we get to support them. A spring is not something I have any interest in making, but I get to come here, see how it's made. It's awesome. That was so much fun. It was so cool. Like, everything we do is super advanced CNC. This is manual, old school, so precise, so love it. Then when the guy was doing little adjustments, he'd just like move it ever so slightly and it would make a longer spring. It's amazing to be able to drive to a location super close to our shop and see experts doing what they love to do. They've been doing this. They started this business in the 40s and his dad started it. Now he's starting, it's all he's ever known. This is what they do. So like, we have our expertise doing what we do. I have no interest in making springs, but it's very cool to be able to see how they're made. So in our shop, as you guys know, we try to make absolutely everything that we can that's realistic for us to make. Tip spring we don't make, wave spring inside there we don't make, and the ink, obviously we're not gonna make the ink. Other than that, we make everything. So every chance that we get to buy quality, perfectly made components otherwise, we're gonna take it. Let the experts do what they do, let us do what we do best. Everybody wins. So that was our video for the spring tour. We haven't done a Saga Saturday in quite a little while, so I've been waiting for this for about a year. When Aaron and I came here last year, we were like, next time, can we film some more? And he's like, yeah, maybe. So they didn't want to be mentioned like location-wise and name and stuff, so that's fine. So top secret special location is very cool. And yeah, that is how you get that perfect tension. It's got to be just right. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Lots more videos coming. Thanks.